very much, as usual. It was very nice. Thanks to everybody who did the cooking, who prepared a very good way, as usual. And really we enjoyed very much. And hope to continue doing that every family. We'll be doing that for many years. Last year. Anyhow, thanks everybody and Happy New Year. We feel like my family, honestly. We always feel that we are in the middle of our family. Thanks again and Happy New Year.
Thank you, Doctor and family, for always supporting us. Ate Lisa and Ray, thank you so much. Okay, I guess everyone enjoyed the night. Thank you so much. Take care. Drive safely, please.